Welcome to M365 Professional. Your Microsoft account is your pass to many Microsoft products and services that help you get things done. Have more fun and stay in touch. If you use any of these Microsoft products, you may already have a Microsoft account. No account yet? Head to account.microsoft.com and create one for free. Set up a brand new account, or use an existing email address and phone number. Manage your account and many of your favorite products and services from your account dashboard. Keep tabs on your subscriptions and order history. Organize your family's digital life. Update your privacy and security settings. Track the health and safety of your devices. And even get rewarded. When you sign in with Microsoft, everything stays with you in the cloud and across devices, including iOS and Android. Just install the apps for the services you use. Get to the people, content, and entertainment that matter to you the most with your Microsoft account. One account, all things Microsoft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.